When your silence starts feeling louder than your voice, it's not peace. It's the first sign you're breaking, and you're the last one to notice it. Modern motivation fails because it was never built to help you, only to excite you. Most of what we consume is just cheap dopamine, quick hits of emotional sugar that feel meaningful for a moment and disappear just as fast. It's cognitive junk food, easy to swallow, impossible to live on. And the real trap is believing you need to feel inspired before you move. Because the more you wait for the feeling, the more powerless you become. Motivation makes promises in the noise, but discipline only grows in the quiet. The real solution is something quieter, something older than motivation itself. It's what the Stoics called detached action, doing the work without needing the emotion to match it. Quiet discipline, the kind that doesn't rise and fall with your mood. You show up because it's who you are, not because today feels inspiring. When you detach from the noise, the work becomes simple again, a quiet path, just you, a small task, and the stillness to complete it. It isn't exciting, it isn't cinematic, but that's the point. True power is boring, true progress is quiet, and the strongest version of you is the one who can keep moving even when there's no spark, no hype, and no applause. In a world that keeps getting louder, maybe the real challenge isn't doing more. It's learning to hear yourself again. So ask yourself, when everything around you screams for attention, where do you go to find your quiet? Welcome to the quiet beyond.